Welcome to the best picks. The best Microblade pen is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving natural-looking eyebrows, and in today's video, we will dive into the top contenders, comparing their ease of use, longevity, and overall eyebrow enhancement capabilities, helping you find the perfect pen to effortlessly create stunning, defined brows that frame your face flawlessly. Number 5. Microblading Eyebrow Pen. This innovative pen will give you natural-looking eyebrows that last all day. Its unique design makes application effortless and precise. It's specially formulated to withstand sweat and water, ensuring your eyebrows stay perfect, no matter what. The 4 soft tips create incredibly fine, hair-like strokes for a realistic eyebrow look. It's so easy to achieve perfectly defined brows. This versatile pen isn't just for eyebrows, it's also great for filling in hairlines or defining beards. It's a true beauty essential. Choose from 4 popular shades to perfectly match your hair color and create a harmonious, stunning look. Find your perfect match today. Always keep the cap tightly closed and store it upright to prevent it from drying out. We want you to enjoy it for as long as possible. What we like? It's waterproof and smudge-proof, keeping your eyebrows looking perfect all day. Its 4 microfork tips create natural-looking, well-defined brows with ease. If you need a long-lasting, smudge-proof eyebrow pen for all-day wear, this is the one for you. What people say. I love the microfork tip. It takes a little practice to see how much you will need. It covers a stray gray brow hair or 2 and forces them to behave. This is easy to use, works great and doesn't drip or smear. Lasts all day or until I wash my face. This is the best eyebrow pencil pen I have found. Most all the ones I have tried in the past wear off before I walk out the door. This one stays on all day. It also doesn't dispense too much, it doesn't glob on, but applies smoothly and as thin as you might like. Number 4. Microblading Brow Pen. It creates a natural eyebrow look that complements any makeup style. You'll have perfectly defined brows that look just like your own, even up close. This 4-point pen makes achieving perfect brows quick and easy. Simply outline and fill, and you're done. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay in place all day long. The anti-dry formula keeps it fresh. Its compact size is perfect for your makeup bag or purse. The high-quality metal tip and long-lasting formula make it a great value. Beyond eyebrows, it can be used to fill in hairlines, enhance eyelashes, or even shape beards. It's a multi-purpose beauty tool. Always keep the cap tightly closed and store it upright to prevent the formula from drying out. This will ensure it lasts longer. What we like? This pen creates natural-looking eyebrows effortlessly. The formula is smudge-proof and long-lasting, saving you time and worry. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to achieve natural-looking brows, this is your perfect choice. What people say. The micro 4-point tip allows for precise application, mimicking the look of natural brow hairs with incredible accuracy. It's incredibly easy to use. The buildable formula allows me to customize the intensity of my brows, giving me complete control over the final result. The long-lasting formula ensures that my brows stay put throughout the day without smudging or fading. Great brow tool. Took a couple of times to get used to how to apply to make it look proper, but it works really well to fill in sparse areas as well as draw realistic hairs to make a larger brow. Product stays on a long time. Number 3. Microblading Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to achieve perfect eyebrows. It's designed for both beginners and experienced artists. It includes 4 types of microblades, each individually packaged for hygiene. You'll find the perfect blade for your technique. The included ring cups and finger coats make the process easier and more comfortable. They help you maintain a steady hand and protect your fingers. The pigments are highly stable, water-insoluble, and long-lasting. Enjoy vibrant, long-lasting eyebrow color. This kit is perfect for beginners, including a pen, practice skin, and all the necessary supplies. Everything is included for a successful start. The convenient zipper bag allows you to take it anywhere. It's easy to use anytime, anywhere. What we like? This kit provides various microblades, pigments, and tools for precise eyebrow shaping. The ring cup and finger coat make application easier and more hygienic. If you are a professional or a beginner who wants to explore microblading, this comprehensive kit is ideal for you. What people say. Comes in a cute suitcase that you can totally repurpose as a travel makeup or toiletries kit. And the product itself is simply bomb. My look has totally changed for the better. Very beginner friendly and comes with the needles, brown and dark brown dye, sterile finger covers, and an ink dye ring for your finger, as well as an eyebrow ruler, so you are getting exact symmetric measurements for everything. This kit is amazing. It includes literally everything. Really great product. I thought I would give it a try, and it's even better than I expected. The items that come in the set are exactly what you need. Number 2. L'Oreal Brow Micro Ink Pen. Get ready for perfectly defined brows that last. This innovative pen delivers a natural, hair-like effect that lasts up to 48 hours. It's a long-wear brow tint that gives you precise application and a natural look. Say goodbye to smudging and hello to all-day confidence. The unique formula creates incredibly fine, hair-like strokes, filling in sparse areas for a natural, fuller look. It's so easy to achieve. The precise comb tip makes application effortless. It helps you create natural-looking brows with ease and precision. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof, so it stays put all day and night. Plus, it's been dermatologist tested for safety. In a consumer test, 90% experienced a hair-like effect, 97% saw instant color payoff, and 96% found it precisely tinted their eyebrows. The results speak for themselves. What we like. This pen delivers a long-lasting, hair-like effect for natural-looking brows. The precise comb tip ensures smooth application. If you desire a natural, hair-like brow look that lasts up to 48 hours, this is your perfect match. What people say. It's really easy to use. It's so easy to use and blends out beautifully. This product stays put and provides a natural look. Less is more. Use a shade slightly lighter than your brows as it's liquid and will dry a bit darker. Number 1. Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. This innovative pen helps you achieve the perfect microbladed brow look with ease. It's the secret to natural-looking, defined brows that last all day. The unique 3-tip design mimics real brow hairs for a natural, filled-in look. It's so easy to create realistic-looking strokes. It's designed to withstand water, sweat, and smudging, ensuring your brows stay flawless through any activity. Say goodbye to touch-ups. This sheer tint formula is buildable, allowing you to customize the intensity to your preference. Achieve your perfect brow look every time. It's completely waterproof, smudge-proof, and sweat-proof, so you can confidently wear it all day long. It's the ultimate brow solution for an active lifestyle. It creates a natural-looking finish that enhances your features without looking artificial. Get ready to love your brows. What we like. It mimics the microbladed brow look with its 3-tipped pen. The formula is long-lasting and customizable to your preference. If you want to achieve a natural, microbladed look with a buildable formula, this is the one for you. What people say. Tip: I used a makeup wipe to make sure my eyebrows were free of any moisturizer or makeup before applying product, and it worked beautifully. This is my favorite brow pencil. I use the color blonde and it is very natural looking, as other brands look too ash or orange to my liking. My favorite part is the tip, which is a firm, angled bristle that applies the product with fine lines, like natural hair. It looks like microblading and is very natural. Love this product. It has made my morning routine so much faster with this beautiful and effective tool. Goes on smoothly and lasts all day, easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.